Hey guys, in today's video we're going to be doing some more stuff with Query Hunter. So we did this in the past, but in honesty my microphone recording level was pretty terrible, so let's do this again but do it better. So you may remember the German site that I've made. It is brilliant and German, but obviously we're just seeing how well we can rank this. It's doing quite well at the moment. Here is the search console. As you can see, it's getting steady impressions. It's not flying up yet, but again, it's not out of the sandbox yet. It's still a really new site. So we're getting 2,500 impressions and getting 7 clicks already. I'm happy with that. First came into existence in July 28th, and as you can see, it's not dropped off. It's getting somewhere, so that's cool. And so in this video, we're going to be going through Query Hunter. And all I've done is I've gone to the search performance, so you can see that on here, I mean, we've already had some discover traffic, which is fantastic, but we can go in here, and the thing that I want you to click on is pages. So these are our best pages on the entire website, and we can do with them what we will. So I note that these ones are significantly higher. They haven't had any clicks yet, but they're getting a lot of impressions. And again, new site, I'm sure if we look at the position, they're on page 50. So it's cool that they're there, but hopefully they're going to start going up and up and up. And we'll get more and more and more impressions from that. I'll tell you what, actually, let's start with a page. No, we're not going to worry about an uncategorized, but let's start with a page that's ranking really, really high. So or really low, I guess. It's got a high number in its rank, but it's getting impressions. So this one here, clearly getting a lot of impressions, even though it's rank 83. So if we can just get up a few more ranks, we'll probably do quite well out of it. So if I just jump to this page, and then, as you can see, it's in German, I will click edit, which is that button. And then I've got the Query Hunter plugin installed. So I'll leave a link to Query Hunter down the bottom, but ultimately it adds this lovely little table at the bottom. And what we can do from this table is see what words we're ranking for. So all of these, or all of these on the left. And let me zoom in a bit more so you guys can see even clearer. So we're ranking for all of these keywords. However, right now, that one's only mentioned in the content once. Maybe we want it more, maybe we want it less. That's mentioned 0 times. Affiliate links is mentioned 82 times. That's way too much. Way too much. No one needs to say that much. So what we can probably do is change it from affiliate links to maybe affiliate marketing links, because we're getting impressions from that, or affiliate marketing campaign. So I'm going to do this completely, and you notice that's not got any S on the end. I'm going to do this completely crazily because I don't speak German. I would recommend you do this in a language that you speak. But oh, hang on. I'm going to take affiliate links and I'm going to replace one of them with affiliate marketing links. So I'm not going to look in the FAQ. So let's go right at the top of the page. So here. I'm going to... Yeah, let's just go straight with a header. Let's go big. Affiliate marketing links here. And then again, let's just put this in the context there. Cool. That was hard, right? That's all we had to do. And now we're going to rank slightly higher for this, because it's mentioned now. Previously it was a synonym, so it was related content but not quite actually appearing in the content, but now it definitely is. We can do the same thing with affiliate marketing campaign. So admittedly this is going to be much harder in German when I don't speak German, but if this is in English, I'm sure you can let me just quickly pop up Notepad so that I don't lose my word. And then I'm going to take this and translate it just so that I can check that it's going to make sense. Translate. I've just chosen the right affiliate program. So this affiliate program here, probably a great opportunity to use a campaign. Typically provides some basic information. After you create an account, you can generate affiliate links. Yeah, you can generate an affiliate marketing campaign and start promoting products or services. Tell you what, let's be even cheekier. Let's go straight to ChatGPT And let's say a paragraph of text, and I need you to adjust it to include the following exact match keyword. Keyword to include text. I'm going to adjust this and say, please try to keep the general formatting and outline consistent with the original. And yeah, that'll do. So here's our text, and our keyword to include was that. Oops. Please note your response must be in German. Obviously, very important that it's in German. I mean, I don't like that it's quoted it like that, but sometimes it does that. If this was English, you could obviously come up with something slightly better, or if you're German, you could probably come up with something slightly better straight off the bat. But all we're doing is we're going through and we're tweaking it to get those words that we want. We're trying to not have too many here, so I'm probably just going to take straight up one of the affiliate links and then just do that. Like, it doesn't matter if the grammar's not technically correct for an S, because a human will read it and go, oh, like, I see they've made a mistake, and they won't be too worried about it. Same thing with these, just go through. You can even, if you've paid for the premium, get this to generate a sentence. Oh, I haven't set it up on this blog, but I think it's a bit rubbish, in honesty. Like, I think you can do a better job yourself. It seems to do it without any context, and that doesn't really lead on to a good article. But yeah, like if I quickly update this and I refresh this, you'll notice when I click refresh, notice that some of these should jump to 278. So now, instead of having no context and being, or no mentions of that particular keyword and being in rank 94, we've now got 2. And I think that will start to go up. Like, we'll start to see some better results from that. And what you can really do to push it through is you can find. So there's my notepad gone. You can. That would be our link anchor here. Link anchor, and our page URL will be. Let me just jump to this. Page URL will be this. And so now I can search our blog. So if I search in Google for site : that, and then our search term, I can go to this page here, edit this page, find affiliate links with a bit of luck. Find a bit further down the page, and affiliate program sounds great. It's like, I could change this to match this exactly, but again, where I don't speak German, it's slightly harder. But I would suggest that you change this. In fact, let's change it. Let's do it properly. Let's find one with a bit smaller text. I want to do this one. Let's say, can you tweak the following text to include the keyword 2? And there's text. Here's the keyword. So in this case, it is affiliate links. Do I see affiliate links in there? Yeah, I can. Cool. Really easy. Change that paragraph out. Look for the word affiliate links. So in this case, that. Take our page that we want to link to, in this case that, click the link button, and we add that link. And then we just update this post. And what that's going to do is that's going to tell Google that we think that the page that we've just linked, i.e. the page we're originally editing, this one, should rank even better for the particular term affiliate links. And we already know that on page 97, but apparently this is not showing for me. We know that on page 97, let me just refresh. On page 97, we're getting 40 bits of traffic. It's because I'm so zoomed in it. I hope, I pray. But we know even on that page, we are getting 40-ish bits of traffic, I think it was. It's trying to spite me. But you saw what it was earlier. We're getting traffic for it. We're not getting enough traffic for it. If we tell Google that we think this is the page for affiliate links, it's going to go up higher in the rankings. And then from there, we're going to rank even better and ultimately get more traffic, do better and better and better, and ultimately make that affiliate commission or whatever it is that your blog's purpose is set out to do. So there we go. Hopefully what you've learned, we can use Query Hunter to take existing content, make it rank higher for keywords that it's already ranking for but not optimized for. And then from there, we can then build internal links to that page for the keywords that are doing really well. And that might be a keyword that you didn't even write the blog post for. Like that blog post wasn't optimized for that. It was optimized for something else. And it turned out that wasn't the best keyword. So we can take advantage of that and really push it through and do a better job. But there you go. That's how to use Query Hunter. I'm sure there'll be more guides on it in future. I'll catch up with you soon. Bye.